Hey everyone, how are you all today? आज हम करने वाले हैं financial system. Financial system is in financial system is a new topic, and it is not completely different from the last three videos, but it is somewhere related to the last three videos. So welcome to my channel. And if you're new here, we are doing banking and financial institutions. This would be helpful for your UGC NET exams, SET exams, JRF exams, bank PO exams, bank SO exams, and other competitive exams. Even this could be helpful in your BBA, BCom graduation subjects, as well as MBA, MCom post graduation subjects. So if you have a detailed subject called banking or banking and financial institution, then this would be the perfect course for you. We have done 4 videos so far. This would be the 5th part, and if you need all the parts, what you can do is you can go to the I section on the top right corner, where I just written an I on the top right corner, as you can see here. Okay, so you just put your cursor there, you'll get the entire playlist, and you can watch the previous sessions. Now let's start with today's class. If I talk about financial system, let me give you a brief example, and through the example we'll be able to understand the concept. I'm really sorry. With the example, you'll be able to understand the concept of financial systems in a detailed manner. Suppose we have a market. We will start the example with this. Okay, suppose we have a vegetable market. In a vegetable market, there will be large number of people who are going to sell the vegetables. They'll have their shops or their you can say places where they are going to sell. Okay, then there'll be various buyers who came to the vegetable market to buy some vegetables for their households, right? So we have certain buyers. As it is a vegetable market, what can you find here? You can find tomatoes, you can find potatoes, you can find apples, you can find other kinds of vegetables, you can find carrots and so on. Correct? So these are various types of vegetables which are available in the vegetable market. And apart from selling vegetables, there are various services given in this particular market. Like suppose if you are buying in bulk, if you're buying 500 kgs of onions or 1000 kgs of potatoes, then what the seller will offer you? He will offer you a free home delivery, like let me deliver it to your place because the quantity is very large. So here what is happening is, in this entire vegetable market, as you are aware and you are visiting the vegetable market from your initial years, it's very easy to understand this market because you have seen this practically in your life. I'm really sorry, I'm really sorry again. Okay, so since you have seen the vegetable market since your early years, it is very easy for you to grasp this concept, or very easy to absorb this particular concept. But what if I talk about financial management? Financial management is nothing but something just like the vegetable market, something. So what are the changes? If I can just point out the changes, this is not a vegetable market, this is a financial market. If I am talking about financial systems, then what are we going to do? We are going to have a financial market. So what would be a financial market? Just like vegetable market is a place where buyers and sellers come together to sell goods and services, that is the vegetables. In the same way, in financial market, various buyers and sellers come together to sell what? Not vegetables, financial instruments. In this financial market, we are not going to sell vegetables, we are going to sell financial securities. What are financial securities? TIES. Okay. Financial securities could be shares, debentures, bonds, preference shares, equity shares, redeemable debentures, any kind of financial securities which is available in the market, either to purchase or to sell or to trade. So rather than vegetable market, we have financial market, and in place of vegetables we have financial securities. That could be your equity, that could be your debt, that could be any other things, it could be your bond, etc. Now we have buyers. Buyers would then be considered as investors. Why? Because here, if I am purchasing shares, debentures, or any other kind of financial security, why am I purchasing? I'm purchasing only because I need to invest, right? So now the buyer becomes the investor. The seller becomes the financial institution. Now, financial institution could include banks, non-banking financial company, financial institutions, and so on. So here financial institution includes bank, NBFC, other kinds of corporate, non-banking financial companies, and so on. Now, when they are selling financial services in the financial market, and the sale is done by financial institutions, to whom? To the investors. This is exactly very much like the vegetable market. The only difference is in vegetable market there were vegetable sellers. In financial market we have financial institutions. In vegetable market we used to sell vegetables. In financial market we are going to sell financial securities, shares, etc. In vegetable market we had buyers. In financial market we have investors. That is the only difference. All else the structure is exactly same. If you see the diagram, I have just renamed certain things. The system is exactly same as it was. So moving forward, now as you can see here, as in the last example, I said that sometimes sellers give certain facilities to the buyers. So if the buyer has purchased 100 kgs of potatoes or 300 kgs of tomatoes, then what the seller will say, let me home deliver it for you so that it is easy for you to you can say consume. Here we have various financial services which is a part of the entire financial system. It could include the banking services, the insurance services, purchase and sale of securities, demat account. All those could be the perfect example of financial system. Now if you have understood this, let me give you the brief summary of today's topic. We have understood the topic called financial system. So financial system is nothing but an integration of all the things coming together in order to complete a task in finance. So if I talk about it, we have 4 different sectors or 4 sub departments in this. In financial systems, we include financial market. Basically, this is a place where you can buy and sell financial securities. Then we have financial securities. These are purchased and sold in the financial market. By whom? By investors and financial intermediaries. Financial intermediaries could be banks, non-banking financial companies, corporates, etc. And it also includes the financial services. So these are the 4 major components of any financial system, and I hope you have understood all the elements in a very simple and easy manner. In the next class when we'll meet, we will be doing each and every part in a detailed manner. So here financial service includes what? Banking service, foreign exchange service, and so on. This is financial market. Financial market includes money and capital that we are going to learn in further lectures. Financial instruments, and then financial intermediaries. So these are the 4 basic elements of financial systems that we are going to understand in detail in the next lecture. So I hope you have understood today's lecture. If there is still any doubt or problem, please do let me know so that I can help you out in this. Okay, take good care of yourselves everyone. Study hard. Bye.